We're at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos, and today we're looking at a 2020 Harley Davidson Heritage Classic in vivid black. So these bikes have the beautiful spoked rims, rider floorboards. We have that 114 cubic inch engine, nice chrome detailing on the engine and exhaust. These leather saddlebags are really awesome. They're structured and they lock, and they're hard mounted as well. So they're not going to be floppy on you, and they're really secure. I really love the new black studs they've been doing lately. And this bike is also equipped with ABS. Again, we're at Biggs Harley Davidson. We're located in San Marcos, California, and we are available for test rides 6 days a week.